Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Cactus Uncle. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Today we're going to go over how to plant a large overgrown toothpick cactus, a Stetsonia cornea. They're pretty unique. They're monogenetic, so it's the only one in its genus. And they can have some pretty nasty large thorns, so it can be one that's quite intimidating for people to replant. So I'm going to show you an easy way to not get poked and get this planted. As you can see, these have huge thorns, and this one is going to be tricky because it's rooted right through the bottom of the bucket. So with one like this, unless you're going to cut all those roots off, which if you can keep them, I prefer not to, I'm going to cut the side of the bucket open using clippers that I have. Just make sure they're nice and sharp, and make sure you're just cutting the bucket and not a whole bunch of the roots. But if you do, it's not a huge issue. So I just kind of fillet the bucket down the side here. And you'll see I just kind of like rip it open a little bit, but it has a lot of plastic on the bottom too, so you're gonna have to work your way through it. This takes a little bit of time here. I do speed up the video a little bit so you don't have to suffer through it. But yeah, just be patient with this part. And as you're seeing me doing, I'm kind of like separating the bucket a little bit. And then I'll take my clippers and I'll start cutting the bottom a bit more. Trying to salvage the roots if possible. While I work on this bucket, it'd be a great time for me to remind you guys to like and subscribe. I'm really trying to build this page out to 1,000 subscribers. So if you guys have any like advice on content you want, on certain videos you're interested in, you know, how-tos with any certain type of cactus or propagation or anything, just let me know. I'd love to make videos that you guys specifically want. So again, like and subscribe. I really want to grow this channel, and I appreciate all of my subscribers a ton. You guys are the best. Thank you. And there you have it. It took a couple minutes, but with a little bit of patience, you can just cut that bucket off from around the root ball. Makes it much easier to manipulate. It's really not a fun process to try to work the bucket off in any other way. Otherwise, you might break branches off, things like that. So when it's big like this and it's got a bunch of arms, I usually just cut the bottom of the bucket off. You can see those roots are intact and ready to go. And there's the top. So I've already placed dirt in here because I don't want to plant it too low. I kind of want to match the old planting level. So we do want it, we do want the same green parts to be exposed to the sun as before. So buried up to the same level, which is going to be a few shovel loads of dirt here. This will take a minute. But you can see I'm manipulating the cactus to make sure it's nice and straight with my left arm. I have a 1/4-inch tubing wrapped around the top of the cactus. So that way I'm able to like manipulate it to make sure it's straight, pull it to one side while I throw dirt in there. And when I kick the bucket, you can see how well the dirt settles. That's the best method to settle the dirt down, make sure it's nice and straight. So I'm going to pull it back and forth, keep kicking it. That dirt will go down nice and low. Just be careful not to get yourself right in the knee with one of those big thorns. And there you have it, guys. I really hope that makes it a lot easier and makes you less intimidated, these big spiky cactus that you have to plant. They're much easier if you have tricks in your tool bag. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, and visit cactusuncle.com.